All right, let's show you what's going on in Chula Vista. One of my favorite shots early in the morning when we can see it. You can see clear skies up above, but that marine layer just darkening the city lights down below. And because of those really thick clouds, temperatures are actually pretty mild. 60s for most of us, including Oceanside all the way down through Carlsbad, La Jolla, downtown Imperial Beach, and then Chula Vista up through El Cajon, Kearny Mesa, Poway, and Escondido this morning. In fact, Ocotillo Well is at 70. Another hot day in store for our deserts. Temperatures climbing to the mid-90s there. So high pressure is going to be the story through midweek. Temperatures trending near to above normal. Tomorrow will be the warmest day of the week. And then that next storm system is the one that I am tracking for the end of the week, bringing our next chance for showers on Thursday. We'll also see cooler temperatures that, in fact, by Thursday, temperatures will be dropping about 5 to nearly 15 degrees below normal away from our coastline. We'll start off with morning clouds each day. We'll clear out to sunshine. Most areas today and tomorrow will clear out by mid to late morning. A few coastal areas may see clouds linger into the afternoon, but I really do think we're going to see some pretty fast clearing through tomorrow. But a deeper marine layer on Wednesday, leading to slower clearing as that next storm approaches, bringing that chance for spotty showers on Thursday, potentially lingering into Friday. We'll drop down to the 60s then and continue that way into the weekend along our coast. Inland neighborhoods, we actually could see some 80s as early as tomorrow. We'll stay in the 70s through Wednesday, briefly in the 60s by Thursday, and another chance for a slight chance for some showers coming through by Sunday afternoon. The mountains will see temperatures in the 70s today and tomorrow, plummeting into the 50s by Thursday, and we're finally going to get a break from the heat in the deserts. 90s through Wednesday, but 80s by week's end.